Namaste. Periyava Saranam. How Ganapati with human face became elephant faced. When any worship is commenced, one should do sankalpa, expressing a resolve that I do this worship for being blessed with such and such things. 16 things are included in this wish list: prosperity, stability, fortitude, success, long life, good health, and wealth for the whole family. These make 7. Then to be blessed with dharma, artha, kama, and moksha. These make 4. Fulfillment of desire, to be blessed with all auspicious things and destruction of all sins. These make 2. For the betterment of the children and grandchildren. Finally, the God to whom worship is offered should be pleased with it, and by his prasad, all wishes should be fulfilled. Those who feel that in all these there are more of worldly things add attainment of jnana and vairagya. Blessings for a good life are 16, and Pullayar has 16 names. Vigneshwara has taken several forms. In that, there is a group which has 16 forms and it is called Shodasa Ganapati. 16 names have been mentioned as being important to Pullayar: Sumukar, Ekadantar, Kapilar, Gajakarnakar, Lambodarar, Vikatar, Vignarajar, Vinayakar, Dhumaketu, Ganadhyakshar, Balachandrar, Gajananar, Vakratundar, Surpakarnar, Herambar, and Skandapurvajar. For remembering these names easily, they have been given in the form of a shloka. Sumukascha ekadantascha kapilo gajakarnakaha lambodharascha vikato vignarajo vinayakaha धूमकेतुर गणाध्यक्षः बालचंद्रो गजाननः वक्रतुंड सूपकर्ण हेरम्बस्कंदपूर्वजः. Of the 16 names of Ganapati, Sumukar is the first name. It is said that when we welcome someone, one should do so with Sumukam. Sumukam is good face. A good face is one which brims with love and happiness. When the love and happiness in the heart is reflected in the face, it becomes Sumukam. Do we not say that the face is the index of mind? Vigneshwara has such a Sumukam which reflects his inner love. A face that reflects a good mind is Sumukam. In the Shukkalam Bharadaram Shlokam, there is a Prasanna Vadanam, that is Sumukam. When love and the happiness that comes out of it get reflected externally in the face, it is Prasanna Vadanam. Clarity, confidence, and brightness make Prasanna Vadanam. In whatever form Vigneshwara may be, his inner love and joy will be reflected in the face and he will be Sumukar. Because he has the elephant face, these shine on his face in an extraordinary manner. There is something special about the face of the elephant due to which we like to keep looking at it and do not feel tired of it. Its face is broad, commanding, extremely peaceful, and something which belies description. When we say in whatever form he may be, we are reminded of the Naramukha Ganapati, Ganapati with human form. In the South Street in Chidambaram, he is with a human face, so much so that he cannot be identified as Ganapati unless one is told so. In Tiruchirappalli also, in the Rockfort temple, there is a Naramukha Ganapati. According to one of the stories relating to his several manifestations, his original form was human. Ambal thought of creating a god for her palace. She wiped her body and with the turmeric, kumkumam, and incense powder, etc., which she gathered, she made the form of a young man and gave the form life. She kept him outside as God and went to have her bath. Ambal is auspicious in every way, Sarva Mangala. It is because she had created the original Pillayar from out of the auspicious turmeric, we make Pullayar out of turmeric powder and do puja before commencing any auspicious. Parameshwara came to Parvati's palace. He thought, who is this male member in my wife's palace? And got angry, and as if he was not aware of anything, he cut off his head. Really speaking, he knew everything, but he acted in this manner for the good of the world and did it in the manner of an absorbing drama. The good of the world is this: an asura by name Gajamukasura, who had the elephant face, had obtained a boon that only someone with an elephant head like him and who is not born to a parent could kill him. Around this time, near Kailas, an elephant was lying with its head to the north, which is bad for the world. The Lord combined the two situations and played the drama. For having beheaded the beloved child created by Ambal, he got pulled up by Ambal. Then he killed the elephant which was lying with its head to the north, brought the head, fixed it on the torso, gave it life, and pleased Ambal. He caused the destruction of Gajamukasura through Pullayar and ensured the welfare of the world. Periyava Saranam.